Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and the like button. Today I am making a very delicious naan. So the first thing that you want to get started is with the dough is the yeast. So I have 2 teaspoons of active yeast, and with this I'll be putting in 1 teaspoon of sugar, and you want 2 tablespoons of warm water. And with this mixture, you want to put saran wrap on top of the bowl that you're using and put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. And because I am making garlic naan, I have 1/4 cup of melted butter, and it is unsalted. And I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I am using dried cilantro. So the reason why I actually love dried stuff, just because it's already diced, it's already mixed together, it's already there for you, and it is in tiny chunks. So it's perfect. So I do have 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So you want to mix this in, and because it is dry ingredients that we're putting in here, so you want to let it marinate for at least about an hour. Okay, so 10 minutes later, you want to see your yeast bubbly, and what you want to do is add in 3 cups of flour. I have all-purpose flour, and about 3/4 cup of warm water, and also 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, and about 1 teaspoon of salt, and you want 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, and because we already have our wet ingredient in the bowl, I am adding in my yogurt. So a little bit of flour. First. Okay, so what you want to do now is take your dough from your kitchen in here. So this is what it became. And then we want to let this rest for at least about an hour. So I'm putting this in my big bowl because it will double in size. So this right here, we'll leave it for an hour, let it double in size, and then we'll continue with this. Alright, after an hour later, our dough doubled in size. And what you want to do is take it out. Ooh. And this is the dough. It is very soft, as you can see here. You want to take your knife, we'll cut it into pieces. So this actually does make about 8 pieces. Now just roll it out. Wait, so you want your tawa to be heated up. Take your naan, put it on here. Of course, in the middle. Let it heat up. Now, remember our little mixture with our butter that we marinated for about an hour or so while the naan dough was being resting for an hour? Well, we are putting this on the naan now and see that it is browning. And that's why I like this, the dried oregano, because it's tiny enough and it's not too much. And also the reason why we're adding this while it's already browning, just so that the dried oregano does not get burned when we are cooking the naan. So this is it. This is my version of the delicious, garlicky, soft naan. And honestly, this is probably the best thing that I've ever made. So I'm actually gonna taste one because, oh my god. So good. Well, thank you for watching my video. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Thank you.